Yeah, I'll be live on Twitch and Kick on Cashmere later, along with YouTube. So enjoy this taxi ride in AK60 with my kid, taking him to school. Gene, are you excited? Gene, say hello, Chad.
Hello, Chad. Hello, goodbye.
Hello, goodbye. Are you gonna have fun today?
Yes.
Did you have a nice sleep?
Yes.
Okay. You want to change the color? You want to change the color? Look. Wow. What color do you want?
It's Ichigo.
Oh, you want red? That's a little bit of a purple color, ain't it? How about that? You like that?
Mm.
Okay. Oh, it looks crowded today.
Yellow, yellow.
You want yellow? Yellow? Yellow.
Yellow.
Okay. Is that yellow? Good morning, Jean.
Good morning, Jean.
I love you, Jean.
I love you, Daddy.
Where's Mama?
Mama, home.
Mama's not at. Oh, she'll be home a little later. Do you want to ride the bullet train? You have to ask Chat for that. Daddy cannot afford the bullet train. Jean, listen. Daddy's too poor to afford the bullet train. Say bye-bye, Chad.
Bye-bye, Mama.
They have these fantastic Alphards in Tokyo, and they might be a little bit pricey, but it's definitely the way to take your kid to school. He's getting so big. You getting big, Gene?
Big, Jean.
And I mean, I'm 6 foot tall, and I can pretty much completely stretch out. But my kid's getting so big. Gene's getting so big, he can't fit his feet. I'm just kidding, Gene. I hope the microphone sounds decent for you guys. I'm not using a lapel mic or anything. I don't know why. I have 3 of them, Hollyland, Sony, and DJI ones, but I feel like those lapel mics kill the ambiance of what I'd be doing on stream. Jean, are you going to speak English today? Are you going to speak English with all the rich kids today? Are you going to speak English with all the rich kids today?
Yes.
Are you rich?
Yes.
No. No. Yes, this place is close to Daikanyama where he's going to school today. It is a national holiday, but I want him to get his English in, so not quite Daikanyama, but pretty close. Jean, you have to ask chat.
Yes.
You have to ask them, can I ride the bullet, or may I ride the bullet train?
Yes.
Yes. You have to ask. May I ride the bullet train?
Ride bullet trains.
In so many ways that basically symbolizes give me money. 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 I got you. Maybe for your summer break and whenever mom decides to take a vacation, we can go up to Hokkaido. I want to, you know what? I want to take you guys on a ride to, well, I mean, we've been to Osaka a bunch of times, but they have the new cabin classes, and like the initial ticket price, like $400 or something like that, right? But it's $400 plus, I don't think 3 and unders need to pay anything, though he's going to turn, dude, in less than a month, he's going to turn 3 years old. He's still 2, but he'll turn 3 years old on the 16th next month. So maybe we could get the cabin class bullet train, right? Jean, put your hand through here. Tokyo is such a interesting city, and it's really, you wouldn't think it, but it is really fantastic to raise your kid here. Granted, in central Tokyo there is a lot more infrastructure than the rest of Tokyo. Look, Jean, police car. You see it? Police car? Police car, police car. Look, police car. You like the police car, right?
Oyama.
Look, the police car. Dude, wow. Wow. Police car.
Wait, police car. Police car. Whoa.
Say police car in Japanese.
Police car.
日本語は?
Patoka.
See? We're right next to it. Jean, you have to put your middle finger in the air like you just don't care. Jean, what are you doing? You have to put your middle finger in the air. I hope this looks beautiful for you guys. Maybe every single frame will be like a... This is Yoyogi. Yoyogi Park? Yoyogi Koen だよ, Jean. Have you been? 行ったことある?
Wow,
Tunnel? Country?
Woods.
Yeah, that's correct. The woods.
Ground.
Yes. Are we going to the
city.
The city. We're already in the city, bro.
Wow. Up hill.
It's gonna be hot outside. Gene, is it nice inside?
Yes.
Climate controlled. It's good. This is the old Olympic Stadium here. And then we have entered into Harajuku here. So we're close to everything.
Magic.
Magic? What's magic?
Single.
Oh, the light? Yeah. Can you sing the Hataraku Kuruma song? The Hataraku Kuruma Uta? The song? Sing it.
乗り物集まれ移動な車どんどん出てこい働く車
Hataraku Kuruma.
ちゃちゃちゃ働くパトロカはいパトロカ行くしのと思ってて4分だった
Keep going. Utatte. Ew. Jane, don't do that. We're not in private. You can't do that. Jane, stop it.
Come on. Come on.
Jane, 働く車歌って。働く車じゃねえわ。働くゴミ収集車は働く車。Jane.
Fuck you.
No. Oh, and then YouTube gets demonetized.
Fuck you. Fuck you.
No.
Fuck you.
No. Those are bad words. You know, seriously, not a single time has his teachers written him up for saying a bad word in English. But, oh, there you go, Harajuku. Gee, you really know how to use those words. Then we keep going straight, it would be Omotesando. These areas are nice, but I mean, it's like going to another country. Gene, you want to see a DVD? Maybe later. Speak English. Dolphin. Dolphin. We're almost there. All right. We're almost there. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Gene.
Bye-bye, Gene.
Bye-bye, chat.
Bye-bye, chat.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
All right, I'll see you guys later. Cash me out Twitch TV and cash me out kick.com. Whatever you guys want to watch on. Also on YouTube, I do the shorts live and the main live, and then Rumble if you guys, really need to find a way to get rid of that. So, see you guys later. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you later.
See you later.